What's the difference between a skit and a play? Good question. Skits are typically very short, unscripted performances that allow for some improvisation, and they're usually really funny and playful. They're great to use for assemblies, summer camps, or even during class time, because they allow an opportunity for students to perform without having to memorize or mount a full-scale production. They can be really playful and low stakes. Drama Notebook has lots of collections of skits with different themes and for different age groups, and you'll find all of those in the script library on Drama Notebook under Skits. We've also created a free resource for you called 50 Skits for Kids. And if you'd like to get a copy, just click the link in the description and then let us know what skits you and your students enjoy.